What's up, y'all? Come on a short little adventure with me through Hobby Lobby. I had to get some last minute things for this birthday order, and I'm just running throughout the store right now. I had to pick up some printable paper vinyl that you'll see here in a little bit, and a t-shirt, because all of my orders come with a free birthday t-shirt if it's a birthday order. The rest of the order is complete. I just had to do the chip bags and the t-shirt. So this is me leaving Hobby Lobby and all of that good stuff to come home. Back at the house, I had printed up all of my designs for the chip bags, and this is just me here cutting all of them out. I trim up the edges because I don't have a borderless printer, and I know people are gonna be like, oh, buy you a borderless printer, it's easier. Do you have borderless printer money for me? I'll wait. If you do, I was like, go ahead and cash app it to me. If you don't, let me do what I do. My designs still come out really, really cool looking and really awesome, like chip bags. I don't need to have some fancy printer just to do that. So I'm just wrapping one quick one so you guys can see how this goes, and then I'm gonna go into the music and let it finish the rest of this, because I'm just getting my voice back, as you can hear, and I sound awful, so I don't want to talk too much. Once you're done trimming the sides, I assemble the chip bags like you see me doing here. And there it is. Here's the finished project. So you guys tell me what you think. Did I snap or not in the comment section? Don't forget to hit the follow button if you want to see more content with it, and follow my YouTube, Crafting with Shakara. Bye!